In this easy-to-follow tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of creating a brand new Outlook account in just a few simple steps. Go to any web browser, enter Outlook in the address bar and press enter. Click on the first link pointing to Microsoft website. Next, click on Create Free Account button next to Sign In. Enter your desired email address. Then click on Next. In my case, this email is already taken, so I will add some number to it. And click on Next button. Then provide the strong password. And you can check in Show Password to view the password. After entering strong password with a combination of letter and number and symbol, click on Next button. Provide the first name and last name in the text box. Then click on Next button. Then fill out your country location and birthday information. Then click on Next button. If you get this screen, click on Next button to get new puzzle. Next, move the image on the right to the location indicated on the left side. Then click on Submit button. So this similar steps for 2 more time. Now that the verification is complete, you will be redirected to Outlook Web. Just wait for some time. Click on Yes to stay signed in. Now you will get the Outlook using Outlook account that you have used earlier. Now you can click on New Mail and create a new mail as shown here. Click on Settings, then select General. Afterward, navigate to Appearances and modify the appearance to your desired choice, as illustrated here. This much for today. In this way we have successfully created Outlook account and signed into it. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for the similar videos. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.